For decades, tractors have been the backbone of farming, helping growers cultivate the food that feeds the world. But in recent years, a battle has been brewing between farmers and tractor manufacturers, particularly John Deere, over a contentious issue, the right to repair. Farmers argue that John Deere is making it nearly impossible for them to repair their own equipment, leaving them at the mercy of costly authorized dealers. Here's a breakdown of the controversy and why it matters. What's the issue? Modern tractors, like many other machines, have become increasingly sophisticated, incorporating advanced computer systems to improve efficiency and performance. While this technology has revolutionized farming, it has also created a new problem. Repairs often require specialized software and tools that only John Deere and its authorized dealerships have access to. Farmers say this practice prevents independent repairs. Without the necessary software or tools, they can't perform simple repairs themselves or use independent mechanics. Increases downtime. Waiting for an authorized technician to repair equipment can delay planting or harvesting, costing farmers valuable time and money. Raises cost. Repairs through authorized dealers are often significantly more expensive than DIY or independent repairs. John Deere stance. John Deere argues that limiting access to repair tools and software is necessary to protect intellectual property. The proprietary software in their tractors represents years of research and development, and Deere wants to safeguard it from unauthorized use. Ensure safety. Tractors are complex machines, and improper repairs could compromise safety. Prevent tampering. Restricting access to software ensures that emissions controls and other regulatory systems aren't illegally modified. Farmers fight back. Farmers and advocates argue that these restrictions amount to monopolistic practices that harm consumers. The growing frustration has led to lawsuits. Farmers have filed class action lawsuits against John Deere, alleging that the company violates antitrust laws by monopolizing the repair market. Right to repair legislation. Advocacy groups are pushing for laws that would require manufacturers to provide farmers with the tools, parts, and software needed to repair their own equipment. Public outcry. Farmers have shared their stories of lost income and wasted time, fueling widespread support for the right to repair movement. The broader right to repair movement. The fight with John Deere is part of a larger global right to repair movement. Advocates in industries ranging from electronics to medical devices are demanding that manufacturers make it easier for consumers to repair their own products. This movement has gained traction, with some governments introducing or passing right to repair laws. What's at stake for farmers? For farmers, the right to repair debate is about more than just saving money. It's about independence and sustainability. Farmers have a long tradition of being self-reliant, and many see the restrictions as an affront to their way of life. Additionally, long repair wait times during critical planting or harvesting seasons can lead to significant financial losses. John Deere's recent promises. In response to mounting pressure, John Deere has made some concessions. In 2023, the company signed an agreement with the American Farm Bureau Federation promising to allow farmers and independent repair shops access to repair tools and software. However, critics say the agreement doesn't go far enough, as it's not legally binding and still includes restrictions on certain software and diagnostics. The path forward. As the right to repair battle continues, farmers, manufacturers, and lawmakers are grappling with how to balance innovation, safety, and consumer rights. For now, the fight highlights the growing tension between modern technology and traditional self-reliance, a struggle playing out not just on farms, but across industries. The bottom line, the John Deere controversy underscores a pivotal issue: who truly owns the products we buy. For farmers, being able to repair their own equipment is not just a matter of convenience, it's about preserving their livelihoods and ensuring their farms can thrive. The outcome of this debate could set a precedent for other industries, making it a fight that extends far beyond the fields of America.